We're going to talk about the function of position mode. So we've got many functions here, and the first one is position. And I've got a document here that will be included in the YouTube video, like there will be a link. And position mode basically execute a move to position. And you have a position target, and you have a maximum force along with a velocity, a desired velocity. And the idea here is that you give it a position target, which is where you want to go to. The maximum force is a limit, meaning if you achieve the maximum force, then it'll fault the controller and give you a not okay signal. And when you're traveling to the position, you have a velocity set point. And to show this, I'm just going to make it do its move here. So I have this thing here. It's a little bit more intuitive when you put them in the right order. So you've got a velocity and a target position, and then you have a maximum force, which is the limiter or the alarm. So I'm going to put, the idea here is that I've got a 20 millimeter target, 5 millimeter velocity, and then when I finish, I go back to 5 millimeters. I'm going to put that into operation, and I'm going to run it. It's executing. Actual position went there and came back. You get a green light. Okay. Now I'm going to modify the position target so that I'm going to encounter a force. I think 26 millimeters will be enough. Save it. And I'm going to run it again. I'm now experiencing the force, and I get a not okay. And as you see here, it's stuck on this right here, and the diagnostic says here, position mode, and you get a not okay. I can continue to run it again, and I'll get another failure, same idea. And that's position mode.